In this video, we are going to talk about our new indicator, that is NTD Scalper. This will help you to now take trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty too. Until now, we were only focused on stocks, but now with this indicator, you can take your trades in Nifty, Bank Nifty too. How this indicator will work, how to apply the indicator, it is simple. Again, this is an invite based indicator. So once you subscribe to NTD, once you pay for the indicator, after that you just need to share your TradingView ID to your RM. Once you provide them your TradingView indicator ID, they will add this in your invite only scripts. Once this is added, you have to click on indicator, you have to apply this indicator, and once you apply, click on this three dots, click on visual orders and click on bring to front. Once that is done, your indicator is successfully applied onto the chart. Please note, this indicator works only on 1 minute time frame because we are using this as a scalper indicator, as a scalper tool. Now, how to take trades? What is the process to take your trades? How and when to take trades and how the stop losses work? Everything we'll discuss in this video. First thing first comes. Now, first understanding the color scheme of the indicator. Once you understand the color scheme, it is very much easy to understand how the indicators works. There are total 4 colors in this indicator. One is the blue color candle. One is the black color candle. One is the green candle. Green candle obviously means buy. Red candle obviously means sell. That is very much clear. Green and red to indicates you what is the direction. Now what does this blue and what is this black candle means? First let us understand what is this candle means. Now blue candle means no trade zone. Means there's nothing to do. You are in a zone where you can't buy, where you can't sell, and there is no indication to buy or sell to. Now what does this black color candle mean? This black color candle means there's a trend developing. This is a trend developing phase where the trend is developed. So now you can understand this with an example, like you have red, yellow and green signal, where red means stop, yellow means you are okay, you have to start your vehicle, and green means you can move ahead. Similarly, the blue color candle means there's nothing to do, there's no zone, there's no trend development, nothing. The black color candle suggests you that currently a trend is starting to develop. That doesn't mean you need to take your trade. That is not an entry point. That only indicates you, okay, now the trend is starting to develop. Once the trend is confirmed, the candle will start turning into green or red. So what happened today? If we take example of Bank Nifty, again there was a blue candle initial, which means there's nothing to do now. The black candle with a green upward arrow, this indicates, okay, an upward trend is starting to develop. Is this a confirmation? No, this is not a confirmation. This is only now the upward trend has started to develop. Only after a green candle is formed, again you get a upward arrow, a green upward arrow. Once that is done and a green candle starts making in, that is your entry point. That becomes your entry point, and initially with that you start taking your entry. Now what is the stop loss? This yellow line becomes your stop loss, and after which, once you create your entry, after which every purple line, this indicates you the trailing stop loss. That becomes your trailing stop loss. Now today, in case of Bank Nifty, your entry initiated at 48,810. From there, at every point there was an trailing stop loss indication. Once you trailed your stop loss, your exit becomes at 45,982. So from 45,810 to 45,980, almost, if we can say, 170 points move, 170 160 points move in Bank Nifty. In intraday, this indicates you the quantity as per the settings. If you click on settings, you can manage your max loss amount. But because whenever you're trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, in that case, the amount size doesn't work. There is the system of lot size. So as per your risk and reward, you can take minimum lot, maximum lot, whatever the lot size you trade, you can go according to that. Whenever you use this indicator on stocks, in that case, you can purchase a quantity which is shown in this indicator, or else for Nifty, Bank Nifty, you can decide your own lot. Now when you have to exit whenever the first red downward arrow comes up and a zone, a candle from green, it turns to black. Whenever that is done, that indicates you have to exit from your current position. Now this red arrow doesn't mean you need to sell here. This is only a trigger. Okay, if you have a running position in this Bank Nifty, now it is a time to sell it off. Now it is a time to exit it off. That doesn't mean you need to create a sell position. Now when will you create your sell position? If suppose after this black candle, again a red downward arrow is formed and a red candle is formed, that triggers your entry point. That triggers, okay, now you need to take your entry in that particular sell zone in the bank nifty. Again, what happened after the black? What came? Again, a green upward arrow came, which means now your trend from down has converted to up. That doesn't mean you need to create your entry. Now, once the trend is changed, that doesn't mean you need to create your entry. When you will create your entry, whenever you get a second confirmation, the second upward arrow, green color arrow with a green color candle, that triggers your entry at 45,998, at around 46,000, that becomes your entry. Again, your exit becomes at 46,164, that was your exit point. At that point you exit. Again a 150 point move. Earlier again 150 point, now again 150 points, almost 300 points captured in bank nifty. This black color candle indicates you to exit your position, not to sell. If suppose after this black color candle again a red color candle is formed with a downward arrow, that will trigger your sell position until and unless there's no sell position in bank nifty for today. Now if we check Nifty, let us check Nifty also. If we go on Nifty and if we check how Nifty has performed, let us click the chart of Nifty. Let us bring the chart of Nifty. Once you bring the chart of Nifty, now here, this is interesting. Now you'll understand how this works. Now here if you see, again as we discussed, blue means nothing to do. It is in no zone, nothing, no buy, no sell, no trend development, nothing has been done. Now this black color with a red indicates a downtrend has started. Is it confirming you? Is it telling you to sell your position? No. Why? Because you don't have a red color arrow again and a red color candle. Now again, as the price goes up, it again suggested, okay, the trend from sell has indicated to buy. Whether you have got a green color arrow, no, you have not got a green color arrow against, nor you have got a green color candles. Okay, we are waiting, we are seeing what will happen further. Again the trend change, trend change, trend change, thrice the trend change, and at around the candle of 1332 again a trend change from sell to buy. Now again you got a green color upward arrow. Now you have twice the green color upward arrow and with a green color candle. That indicates that is your entry point. Initially when you enter, this low becomes your stop loss, the purple color line becomes your stop loss. Once you enter with that stop loss, after which you get a trailing stop loss, you create your entry. You created your entry in Nifty at around 21,868, and from there if you see your high or your exit, because a downward trend had started, black color candle came, you exited at 21,932. So a nice entry point you got in Nifty also. So this is how you can create an entry. Throughout the day, only a blue color candle and a black color candle was forming, which means initially there was no zone, and after the black color started, it started trend developing, but the trend didn't continue. The trend only continued here at this point at 1322. The trend changed to buy, and at 1330 the trend confirmed to buy. And once the trend is confirmed to buy, you create your entry. We exited at around 1400. You exited at around 1403 price. So this is how, with the help of this indicator, you can create your entry in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Now in another video we'll see how to use this indicator for stocks.